As the national airport for Wales, it's a really fantastic opportunity to showcase Welsh creative talent. There's a whole wealth of amazing Welsh music being made right here. And also it's just a lovely thing for passengers arriving back into Wales.
Fi'n credu bod yn anhygoel bod cwmni mor fawr a John Lewis yn cymryd ran yn Dydd Music Cymru ac yn hybu'r gerddoriaeth. Fi'n credu bod HMS Morris yn anhygoel. Mae pawb lot o ddiddordeb yma, mae pawb yn stopo i siarad â nhw. Felly, na, mae'n grêt.
Dwi'n gwrando Miwsig Cymraeg trwy'r amser, dwi'n gweithio lot o'r bandau Cymraeg felly, ie. Nes i rili mwynhau Lili Bo, oedden nhw'n dwi'n meddwl. O'n i rioed wedi clywed ymlaen, a dwi'n rili da, dwi'n lais da, neis.
I mean, language is not just a way of communication, a tool to communicate to each other, but a way of understand the world, a way to embrace a different culture. So I think it's very important to promote it and to transmit it.
Welsh language is very important to me. Mae fy plant yn siarad Cymraeg, so I feel like I should speak Cymraeg, and I live in Wales, so I feel like I should speak the language.
Perffaith oedd un, o ddyn, ond
Yeah, I think it's a good initiative, and I think it's got a lot of people interested in Welsh language music who wouldn't perhaps be aware of it otherwise. There's lots of people here tonight who are learning Welsh who've come to speak to me and how they're listening to the music for them to encourage them to speak more Welsh.